Hey everybody.
Oh, shit.
We're on ladders. We're Shifty Outdoors. Sean and I haven't been here for quite a while and decided to try something new before the season ends. It's almost mid-March. Slush City is going to be here soon, so we thought we'd come out here and see if we can't catch a fish. We just dropped. We saw one fish, but for the life of us, we couldn't catch it. So
Didn't want him.
Yeah, we didn't want him. That's our story. Anyway, we're going to be here for a few hours. That was a big ooh. Did he hit you without you knowing it?
Yep. a big fish.
That is a big fish. That took a lot of skill. I'm saying it took a lot of skill. Good job, little buddy.
You saying they catch dumb fish?
I'm saying your fish caught on a dumb guy's line. All I heard was a ooh. Scared the crap out of me, didn't it?
It's coming out his butt already. Digested it. It was in the mouth so long. Ow!
Now was.
He got me. Where's your pliers, Richard? This weird fish has teeth.
John, party fish?
That was a party fish right there. That was the best kind of fish ever.
That's a big fish. Ah, good job.
I worked hard for that one.
I know, I saw that one too. Remember phone fish, right? When you're doing your phone and you catch a fish?
This is a wiggle waggler.
I'd like to double up. Another big fish.
Whoa! Hey! That's a big one there.
Yeah, it's a good fish. Gutter pop, as usual.
Duh.
Let's see if we can't double, shall we? If you don't mind.
You got it. What'd you do?
It's not very big, I don't think. I'll tell you, I was on the very bottom. Remember I put that great big monster tube down there?
He's not very big, huh?
No.
Monster tube?
It's a pretty good sized tube. Wait till you see it. Yeah, it's a pretty long tube.
Got a big old worm on there. Good grief.
Yeah, I put a worm on there. Just another cut, but it was my first cut.
Does he stink?
I'm gonna go with yes, he said he did. So today, I'm wearing pink, and it's not because I'm a girl. Shut up, Sean. I've got a few friends that have really struggled with breast cancer. Denise, Jane, and right now, my friend Julia Thurman, and they're struggling really hard. So today, why am I wearing pink? Well, to give them love, to let them know that we support them. So, good luck, girls, in your battle. We're praying for you.
Well, maybe you can at least catch you more than one fish.
I'm going to catch you more than one fish. So keep watching. What's a small one? Look at this. Look at this.
I wasn't even trying to catch him, Richie.
It's because it's that.
What is that? You haven't caught a fish in 4 hours and you catch that? God,
2 years from now, this is going to be a planter.
You're embarrassing.
Yes, I am.
I wasn't even trying to catch you. I was on my phone.
They don't get any cuter than that, though. Come on. Look at that.
It matches your shirt.
I'm telling you, this is breast cancer support right here.
Damn it. You weren't supposed to get that one, Richie.
Yes, I was.
Yes, you were.
I knew it was going to be small. I couldn't fill them.
Yeah, I missed that one on purpose. Yeah, go ahead and get him. Well, I can't grab my pole.
He was on my pole already. Oh, he's a good fish. I mean, compared to what I'm used to. You know what I'm saying? That's a big bow. Look at that.
Keep your crap over there. I'm working on something here.
It's a bow? It's a bow.
That doesn't count.
I wasn't trying to catch it.
Where'd you catch him?
Accident. That's a good sign.
Wow. Once again, the real you comes out.
I'm gonna hold this until you double that thing up.
I'm working on it, but
Look, you got 7 fish on your screen. You gonna take one of them?
whoa, snot rocket just went through.
I'm gonna put something on and go catch those fish down there.
Oh, this cut wants it. He's got a big old.
Now you know it's a cut?
Yeah, oh yeah, I can see his lips. Just eat it.
Well, bring him over here and I'll take care of you. Or not. Good job, little buddy. Look at all the fish down there.
Oh.
And they're not dinks. I can see your pole.
Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I hope you can catch a fish.
I don't know, but he's big. Holy cow. Look at that one, Shitty.
That's a good fish.
What do you think of him? I mean, he's not a bow, but
Wish we could have doubled up, but no. You didn't want to double up.
oh wow, he's flinging. Oh, he's got string hanging out all over the place.
Here's another fish. Maybe we can double up now. No, he didn't want it. Should we put a measurement on it?
Well, you don't even have to. You just say, "Hey, slot buster."
There's a fish down there.
That's a big fish.
I'm gonna measure it.
Look, and he had string coming out his bumhole.
Bottom. How much more do you want? You good?
Mm-hmm.
There's more, and there's a salsa. There's a cheese. How's that for just a...
Wow, you're embarrassing.
Oh, he's a good fish. Look at this.
You're
Look at
embarrassing.
this. I kept chucking that thing and making movement, and I thought, where in the heck is my little bug? There he is.
What you using?
A paddle bug, and don't call me what you're going to call me. I'm only doing this for Brennan. Brennan loves the paddle bug. Yeah, Brennan, I've hit an all-time low. But that's a big fish.
Just barely?
You got him. Good job.
Not that good of a job.
Yeah.
No, he's a dink. Whoa, when he jumped out of the hole.
That's a dink.
It's a bow.
Yeah, it is.
I don't like those. But I'll take him. Oh. You said I wasn't going to catch a fish the rest of the day.
I told you he was going to catch the next 4. That put you up
Whoa,
by one,
that
so be
was
happy.
close.
That's a nice bow.
Top one.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, you got it.
Oh, he's a monster too. Holy crap.
You can see your paw not bending as much.
Tell
me who brought that fish
yours,
in.
huh?
Tell me who brought that fish in for you.
I did.
You did?
Yeah. Look how mutilated he is.
Yeah, it's a planter.
Coronavirus.
That's a big fish. Wow, that's a
I knew what I was doing. Don't get over here.
It didn't catch you by surprise at all.
Nope. Hold still. Look at him mistreat me.
Whoa. Want a picture?
No. Fake fish?
No, he's a good fish. Oh, come by you. Oh,
I hope you didn't see that juck.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, he just pooped everywhere in the water.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Oh, boy.
He's a good fish, right? Yep, that's the fish I saw go over there.
Yeah, he's not too good.
My standards, though.
Holy cow, that's a tiger, isn't it? Dude, he pooped everywhere in the water. I saw it go.
How's that again? The dink. He wants it. He does.
Get him.
He bumped it twice. He'll get it. He'll bump it 3 times. Bumps and runs. Now he's going to you.
Well, I don't want him if he's a dink.
He's a dink. He is.
Holy crap. You're right,
funny.
he came fast.
Yeah.
Oh, he's about a 6-incher.
I know, he's tiny. He kept bumping me and running.
Fish don't run.
Here he comes. Got him. He's really small. I said small. I know.
That's 3 fish that you can't count. 3.
I know. I get it.
Holy
I get
crap. That's embarrassing. Shifty fish all day long.
It's bigger than you think. It's as big as a hot dog. You know, the cheap brand.
You really need to do better.
Well, it's been a rough one. Sean and I can't take it anymore. It's been a rough day. We've only caught 15 fish. And about every 10 minutes, we get some alert on our phones talking about the coronavirus. And it's just depressing. And the season's coming to an end. We hope to do another video. But I don't know if we're going to get on the ice. It seems to melt pretty fast this time of season. But just before we go, I just want to shout out to those who may be suffering or have suffered from breast cancer, any cancer for that matter. Our heart's with you. We pray for you. But thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate it. Shifty Outdoors. We gone.
See ya.